Welcome back to our gardening series. Today we're going to dive into the enchanting world of the tea camellia plant, also known as Camellia sinensis. Join us as we explore its fascinating history, description, growing conditions, companion planting, and various uses. The tea camellia has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Originating in East Asia, specifically China, this plant has been cultivated for its leaves, which are used to make various types of tea. It's believed to be one of the oldest plants used for tea production. The tea camellia is a evergreen shrub that can reach heights of 3 to 6 feet. Its dark green glossy leaves are leathery in texture and they have a slightly serrated edge. The plant produces delicate white flowers with yellow centers, adding beauty to any garden. Growing tea camellia requires specific conditions. It thrives in areas with mild temperatures and high humidity. Ideally, it prefers a partially shaded spot in the garden, although it can tolerate some direct sunlight. Well-drained, acidic soil is essential for its proper growth. Pruning is important to maintain the shape and health of the tea camellia plant. It's best to prune in early spring before the new growth appears. Remove any dead or damaged branches and thin out the center of the plant to promote better air circulation. Companion planting with tea camellia can enhance the overall garden ecosystem. Consider planting it alongside plants that thrive in similar conditions, such as azaleas, rhododendrons, or other acid-loving plants. This not only creates a visually appealing garden, but also provides a favorable environment for the tea camellia. Now let's talk about the delightful uses of tea camellia. Its leaves are the source of various types of tea, including green tea, black tea, and oolong tea. Each type undergoes different processing methods, resulting in distinct flavors and aromas. You can enjoy the soothing and invigorating qualities of tea made from tea camellia leaves. And that concludes our exploration of the tea camellia plant. Its rich history, beautiful foliage, and versatile uses make it a fascinating addition to any garden. Remember to check with your local garden center or nursery to find tea camellia plants suitable for your region. Happy gardening!